Welcome to the first training inside of this Facebook Ads for Beginners course. So we're going to take it right back to the basics, and what I'm going to do over the next rollout of videos is I'm going to take you through from how to set things up and understanding how Facebook ads work, how to create your own campaigns, and you'll also find some advanced training in here as well. So my aim is that after this course, you'll be confident in terms of creating your business manager, accessing client accounts, rolling out a campaign, creating some really good creative and copy for your ads, the ad formats, all of this stuff. Just overall, very confident and comfortable when it comes to running Facebook ads. So in this module, what I want to show you is the premise of Facebook ads and how everything sort of fits together. So as you can see here, I'm in a Facebook newsfeed. This should look pretty common to you. Now, here's where things get a little bit confusing for new Facebook marketers. So when you have a personal profile, such as this right now, you have your profile and your own newsfeed, and you will have one ad account tied to this, so you can create ads and manage ads. So if you click on this little drop down here, if you've never seen your ad account associated to your personal profile, it's right here. So if I click on this, it's going to take me to the ad account associated to this personal profile. Makes sense so far, right? So typically, a lot of new Facebook marketers would have run all their ads from this one ad account, and they access this ad account from the personal profile. So you would log into Facebook and you would click on here and go manage ads. Sometimes it shows up here as well. So that's pretty standard. However, when you start working with clients, you don't want to have just one ad account, and you also want to be able to manage all of the different ad accounts and pages of your clients without having to do that from your personal profile. If I have 20 clients, you can just imagine how cluttered this would all be, right? So it would be really, really cluttered over here. So this is essentially why we need to create Business Manager. Business Manager is just a platform that allows us to manage client ad accounts, our team, so any contractors or staff that we have on our team, and client pages. Which brings me to another important point. Pages, so if I go here, cat howl, this page, this is a business page. This is very different to the ad account. So this is a completely separate entity to this ad account here. Meaning I can run ads to my page from any ad accounts that I have access to. And I can also run ads to lots of different pages from one ad account. So they're not mutually exclusive. This is something that a lot of new marketers get tied up with, is they think a page is tied to or married to one specific ad account, when in reality they're two completely separate things. So that's a really important foundation to understand. Now, as you can see here, I'm inside of an ad account, and I'm just going to quickly walk you through just so you can get comfortable in terms of the look and the feel here. So you'll see here the new setup that Facebook recently rolled out is you've got your ad account overview tab here. And here's where you can see things such as, let me close this, such as results like reach, impressions, how much money has been spent, when it was spent, and other details. You've got this tab here, which is your campaigns. So these are all the different campaigns we're running. And make sure you watch that video around the difference between campaigns, ad sets, and ads. For the moment, I'm just going to talk you through just so you can see the back end of an actual ad account and what it all looks like. Then you've got ad sets, which is where you set your targeting and your budgets for your different campaigns. And then you've got ads. Now, let's say I've got a campaign here and I want to see all the different ad sets that are under this one particular campaign. One of the things that I can do is I can either tick this and then click on the ad sets, and you'll see here it's changed to ad sets for one campaign, and it will bring up all the ad sets I had under this campaign. I could also just click on this. There you go. And the same thing for different ad sets. If I want to see all the different ads under this ad set, I would click on here and you can see all the different creatives, or we could just click on it. If I want to see all the ads for lots of them, you just click on them and then go like this. So with campaigns, you'll have one campaign that represents a stage in your funnel. At the ad set level, you can have multiple ad sets for one campaign. So you'll see this is one campaign, but we've got 5 different ad sets in here. And it's split between countries, US mobile, AU desktop. So it's split between placements and countries as well. So this is one way to split test. So you can have lots of different ad sets under one campaign. And again, you can have lots and lots of different ads under the same ad set. So you'll see here, this one's got 4, this one's got 2. You can also use the same exact ads under all of these ad sets. So this is how an ad account is structured. You've also got your reporting column here, and watch the video on how to pull up reporting properly. So I talk you through how to do customized columns and what to pull up through there. But you can essentially pull up different stats through this column. So you can see link clicks, click-through rates that happen, all of this good stuff if you've got videos, video engagement, etc., etc. If we go up here, what you'll see is you've got access to all of the tools that you need to use. So over here, we've got Audience Insights. This is probably the best replacement for the old Facebook Graph tool, where you can get some really cool insights in terms of how to target, what your audience is into, similar pages, all of this great stuff. You've got page posts. This is where you can create page posts. So if you're running social proof or you want to run the same ad. Now, there's training around this under the Facebook ad types. You've got your ads reporting, you've got custom conversions, watch the training on tracking, analytics, your audiences, so here's where you create all your targeting for your custom audiences and lookalike audiences. And then your assets, so pixels, images, product catalogs. This is a little bit more advanced, this type of stuff here. You've also got your ad account settings. So here's where you can change the name. You've got your billing. So here's where you would go add the credit card information. And you can pull up your invoices. And then obviously business settings. So this is Business Manager right now. But this is what this will all look like for you once you've got that set up. So this is essentially a back-end view at an ad account. In the next video, I'm going to show you the auction process and what that means and how it works.